In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slice text in Canva, and we'll get through this in just about 5 minutes. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating beautiful designs with ease, and learning to slice text can take your projects to the next level. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to have your text ready on your Canva design. If you're just starting out, go ahead and open Canva and either select an existing design or start a new one by clicking on the Create a Design button. Once you have your canvas up, add some text to begin. You can do this by clicking on the Text tab on the left toolbar and choosing a style that suits your design. Type or paste in your desired text and adjust it to the size and font you like. This is your canvas for creating the slice effect, and your starting point should feel just right. Once your text is set, the next step is to click on your chosen text, which will activate the text options toolbar at the top of the screen. This toolbar is your control panel for making changes, and it's where you'll be able to adjust fonts, sizes, and other aspects of your text. Keep an eye out for the strike through icon, which will look like an S with a line through it. Clicking this will initiate our slice effect. This icon is your key to creating that striking sliced look, and when selected it will place a line through your text, giving it a unique crossed out appearance. Now, to enhance the slice and give it that polished, tailored look, you might want to adjust the text's line weight or color. Explore how these elements impact the overall feel. Changing the color of the strike line or playing around with the opacity can make your design pop even more. Finally, after you've gotten everything looking sharp and neat, it's time to save your work. Click on the Share button, then click Download. Make sure you've selected the correct file type for your intended use, whether it's JPG or PNG, and then hit the Download button. This ensures that your sliced text design is ready for any platform or printing you have in mind. And just like that, you've learned how to slice text in Canva. A simple yet compelling technique to add that extra flair to your creations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different fonts and colors to truly make your designs your own. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel more confident in your Canva skills. Happy designing.